Hi, I'm Jesse Eisenberg. You're watching LifeMinute TV. I play this guy, Vincent Zaleski. He's like a second-generation Russian immigrant who's wants to be successful. His father puts a lot of pressure on him, so he decides to build this cable underground from Kansas to New York. A thin fiber optic line to try to beat the stock market by like a millisecond.
It's got to be a totally straight line.
Mountains,
Straight.
rivers,
Straight.
swamps, straight.
Straight.
Yeah, Alex Skarsgard plays my cousin, and he's like the brains behind the operation, and I'm kind of like the salesman. Alex, you wouldn't know it from looking at him because he's like, a very attractive, Scandinavian person, but he's like incredibly funny, and so but he's so subtle with it.
It looks like they're building a fiber line between CAX and the New York Stock Exchange.
I know, Jenny. I am looking at it.
Salma Hayek is our boss, and she's this kind of, cutthroat businesswoman who is trying to kind of beat us to the punch. She's a wonderful actress, obviously, and also an iconic person, so it's helpful that we're intimidated by her because it was not hard.
Beautiful cast. We got an Oscar-nominated director, Kim Nguyen, Canadian, French-Canadian like myself.
I find that in a way these are all everybody, all of the actors in the film, Jesse Eisenberg, Alexander Skarsgard, Michael Mando, and Salma Hayek, they're all doing new work. It's like a new angle on their work, so I'm excited.
I'm doing a Zombieland 2 in Atlanta right now, and then I wrote a play that's on its signature next month, starring Susan Sarandon. It's called Happy Talk.
We're start to shoot Better Call Saul Season 5. I think it's going to be our best season. From what I'm hearing, it's just, it gets darker and darker, and a few people might get bumped off. We'll see. I hope not.